Devin, if you go in the box, we won't give you a prize.
Get in the box while
I don't
you
want to get
can.
in the box. What are we gonna start with? What are we gonna start with first?
Drugs.
What? Huh? Just. Oh. Yo, I think we're wearing the same pants. What kind? Oh, my apologies.
Tennessee whiskey.
Devin doesn't want a GoPro because he wants to charge his GoPro.
I'm the one making sandwiches. Show my sandwich plan.
Wakey, wakey. We got this stuff. We're feeling strong. Ted, how you feeling? How you feeling, Ted?
Jiggy with it.
Oh. He's feeling jiggy with it.
The Nevada Falls hike is like a third of what we're doing today.
I love it. Let's fucking do it.
All right. Whoa! What the hell? Calibrate! Calibrate! Goddammit! Gory, gory, what a hell of a way to die! Gory, gory, what a hell of a way to die! Gory, gory, what a hell of a way to die! You ain't gonna jump no more.
He said now his natural
Hey
test
GoPro,
is
have you seen
700.
Ted's neck? He got bit by a vampire.
He got bit by multiple vampires. How'd that get there?
Hey, what's the buzz?
Everybody do it. Tell me, Ted, that's you next.
Calf shot. Clinch, clinch.
What is it that Teddy Roosevelt said? Speak softly,
But carry a big stick.
carry a big stick.
Oh, there's a big stick.
My legs look like the fucking trees.
Let's see those quads. Rest, 0.6. Right here. Fuck me, why?
You don't understand, we're 10,000 feet up.
10,000, but 10,000. Jesus Christ.
That's the strongest person in the world, dude.
No chance.
No chance.
Our marmot munchies.
Marmot munchies.
No way you guys are taking a nap.
9.8.
The one that walked down though?
I don't think she was like,
So fuck that shit.
That's on God, bro.
Tally man, tally me banana.
daylight come and we want to go home.
Stuck banana to the morning. That's like a big ground bird.
Beat the shit out of me with a stick.
There's bear. I saw it.
Ah!
Ah! Ah! Where?
Oh my god.
Stick.
Oh my god.
Grab a stick.
The whistle.
Dude, when I saw you running back, I'm like, why is he running back?
You saw the bear dash across the road?
No, I'm like, ah! I see it. It went to the right. I just saw. I see the bears here.
This one was brown. It was brown.
No. Black bears come in different shades.
Yeah, it's probably a black bear, but it was brown.
There's a brown black bear.
Okay, we gotta get going here.
No, that sign is not lying.
That is not lying.
Yeah, as loudly as possible.
Walk past me.
Fuck you looking at? You don't want to smoke meat, dog. I just fucking did fucking a marathon. God, this is freaking slush. I don't want to go anymore. Oh my god!
Dude, it feels great.
We speed running.
It feels great.
I bet the fuck up. Yosemite better not have a Yelp or it's gonna get blasted.
Throw it back, Ted. I want to see something.
I'll tell you what, quiet hours aren't gonna stop me from popping this pussy.
Dude, there were hella people in the bathroom and I was like, bro, just let me wash my hands. I just took a fat piss. And she was like,
Why does the Asian get to sleep on top?
I know.
I'm better.
Superiority.
Yeah, Asian power.
I'm
Dog
dissing that
didn't do nothing wrong.
Apologies. Sorry.
Overwhelmed with bukkake. What? What? Who said that?
You guys got out real quick.
Thanks, Ted.
I don't even know what I look like, but apparently I'm Whirlpool.
Yeah, he's a little whirlpool
Is it
back
there
here.
still?
Yes, nice
Start
paint.
now.
Prime waters.
We call them. What is this?
I built a ladder to heaven.
Let me see.
Well, this is home. Home leads.
Ted is like Stitch.
Home.
Looks like you got a big stitch down your
Home.
back. Stitch. Evans is home.
See.
Isaiah, we gotta get Isaiah's. Show Ted.
You see, he has some nice.
You see shit? You see Ted's?
Nice, Ted.
This is Ted.
Isaiah, we call Isaiah Big Bear. Big Bear. Big Bear. His is gone. He was the first to get it on. It's kind of going off. He's so wrong.
Here's the pitch.
Oh, right in the strike one! Strike!
I hate this game. Why did I do this? Just say no, this is not right. This is so culturally wrong.
Dude, what the fuck?
Softball pitcher.
Fuck. All right. Oh shit, dude! I gotta go. Get the fuck out of here. I'm out of here. Fucking take a shot at that guy. Fucking idiot. Hey guys, I think I read on the internet that all dogs are a part of wolves.
Devin, you really lucked out. You know, the ears make the whole thing. You really lucked out.
I really lucked out. Really lucked out.
Wolf?
I
That's
don't know.
actually a trick question.
What the fuck was that?
It was rhetorical.
Oh, actually, that was a trick question.
No, I think it's part fox. Maybe.
I don't know, man.
I think it might be part fox. Actually did read it.
Yeah.
Yours looks
I lucked out because I read it on the internet.
I think-
you
I think-
lucked out because look at your ears.
I think it might be part fox. I think it might be part fox.
No, it's part wolf. It was actually a trick.
I read on the
question.
interwebs that the dogs are part wolves.
Yeah, I was like, what are you talking about?
Oh,
dude?
Evan, you're gonna pick out something? Pick out something for your mommy? I think she'd like that.
Yeah.
I got you on camera not picking out something for your mommy.
Do we have bug spray? What do I have to sleep with?
Imagine waking up to that. Ears make the whole dog.
I read that somewhere.
I read that that's
Really
part wolf.
lucked
I
out.
read that all dogs are part wolf.
It's actually a trick question.
I read that somewhere.
I could be
think
wrong
it's
though.
part
I could be
fox. I think it's
wrong.
part fox.
the unspoken reason.
He said I could be wrong.
But I read it online.
I could be wrong, but I read it online.
And everything online is true.
Lexi, you didn't say that.
I think it's really the ears that make it. You got lucky.
You didn't say that.
It's the ears that make it. We don't
See how
focus
when
on
you
the past.
stop,
What
it
do we
goes
just
that
talk
way?
about? We just talk about not focusing on the past.
Focusing on.
Devin say, oh.
Devin. Who hurt you, Isaiah?
That one on the ground. Stop being an asshole.
That was you. That was you.
Hi, Lexi.
Let's go.
That made a funny noise. Ready?
All right, don't pass it to me. Isaiah, what are you doing? Isaiah, no! You're not supposed. You people are reaching their hands over there.
Eating it. Eat it.
No, if he doesn't
Eat it, Isaiah.
Jacob,
Don't cough on us.
Stop.
Hey, you're gonna need this one, Isaiah. It's not that eat it. I didn't pick anything off of it.
I didn't pick anything off of mine either. I wiped aggressively.
Isaiah, if you don't eat it right now,
I thought you were a marine,
we
not
get
a
to roll it
pussy.
in dirt.
No,
what?
No, my
Yes.
foot.
That's if you get it. Okay.
No, get over here.
Hey, don't touch me. Get over here. Rock.
Oh, that's nasty.
Okay.
Oh, that is.
All right, I'm put it back on the charger. Dude, is that 15%? I gotta put it on the charger.
Spit it out.
Are you serious?
Oh shit.
Oh, I'm
You can't say that to me.
What did he say?
She goes, there's a black part on your tooth. You can't say, because I was eating it. And then she says, there's a black part on your tooth.
Isaiah, fire.
Hey, Jacob, fire.
JT, coach the end, fire.
Yeah, I was gonna say
It's not real.
it's humanly possible because Evan did it.
Yeah, you just give me a block of chalk. I got it.
No,
The trail. Made it all the way to Cloud's Rest. That's insane.
is this the? Yeah, no, it's the highest. It's the highest around.
Only took 3 days.
Oh, it's like this.
Holy shit!
Yeah, that's a. All right, I'm just gonna. Oh, there's gonna be a lot of meat entering my mouth.
Alright, you guys, I'll get that all started for you. How are those nachos?
That's the fastest tongue in the West.
You're just gonna take that, Devin?
You saying you have a faster tongue than me?
I don't like that I'm in the middle of this. We spent 4 days in the middle of nowhere with this guy.
So many ribs.
When I say I want meat in my mouth,
You have.
I want meat in my mouth.
No, Sean. Devin, there's still more. You gotta hurry up and eat that before Isaiah eats it.
I have to actually get some.
Is he just watching me get assaulted? Just recording it.
I don't hear a whistle.
I'm so sorry. Where's my fingers? How many shoulders do we have? Like 3? 1, 2.
Let him count the
I gotta get the 4th one. I like that part.
It has like a minute left.
Yeah, it does have exactly like a minute left.
I'm not really good at math, is it?
Alright, guys.